Whoa! Hold up, just when we thought DJI had maxed out the wireless mic game with the Mic 2, here comes the DJI Mic 3, leaking its way online like a surprise guest you didn't know you were expecting. But here's the twist, it might not be what everyone hoped for. Some will love it, others, well, let's just say you might be screaming, "Seriously?" by the end of this. Let's rewind for a second. Because to really understand what's going on here, we need to take a walk down DJI Mic memory lane. The mic that started it all, DJI Mic 1. Back when it dropped, the DJI Mic 1 was nothing short of a game changer. Creators everywhere were like, yes, this is it! It was compact, easy to use, and had built-in recording, something that felt like a lifesaver for YouTubers, filmmakers, and even casual vloggers. No more tangled wires or clunky setups, just clip, record, and go. It quickly became the go-to mic for anyone who wanted great sound with minimal gear. Enter the powerhouse, DJI Mic 2. Then came the DJI Mic 2, and oh boy, did it turn the volume up to 11. Let me tell you, 32-bit float recording, check. Insanely good noise cancellation, double check. Battery life and sleek charging case, yes please. Even played nice with third-party lavalier mics. Well, kinda. Some users had issues with certain lav mics not working properly, especially ones that required extra juice. But overall, the Mic 2 was in quote. Professionals loved it, vloggers swore by it, and DJI had finally built something that felt ready for prime time. Now, the shocking part. DJI Mic 3 leaks reveal a big oops. Cue the Mic 3 leak, and here's where things get real. FCC documents dropped along with images and early details from trusted leakers like Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov, giving us a peek at DJI's next wireless mic system. At first glance, it looked sleek, a new squircle-shaped display on the receiver, redesigned charging case, and ultra-compact size. Boom. Hakasushi noticed something no one caught at first. Wait, where's the lav mic input? That's right. The Mic 3 doesn't have a 3.5mm lav mic input on the transmitter. None. Zero. Zilch. Come on now, creators. React. For pros who rely on lav mics for discreet underclothing placement or cleaner close mic sound, this is a deal breaker. Like, are you serious? No way! You've got to be kidding me! Without that port, you're forced to rely only on the built-in mic, which is fine for casual setups, but nowhere near ideal for weddings, interviews, or pro shoots. Sure, there's a mic grill on top of the transmitter so it can still record, and it'll likely sound decent, but not being able to plug in your own mic, that's like buying a fancy camera and not being able to change the lens. So, redesigned vloggers, filmmakers, and professionals, the Mic 2 is the better choice. More flexible, more options, more pro-ready. Right now, the DJI Mic 2 retails around $329, and it's earned that price tag with performance and features. The Mic 3 is expected to land between $249 to $329, which makes sense given its stripped-down approach. If it comes in closer to $249, it could still be a solid deal for casual users or those new to wireless audio. But if it hits the high end of that range, no lav input and premium pricing, that's a tough sell. If you're a vlogger who records walk-and-talks, records something simple, compact, and hassle-free, then the DJI Mic 3 might work for you, if you're cool with using the built-in mic only. But if you want permitted to use a lav mic, more flexibility for interviews, sit-downs, and indoor work, then go for the DJI Mic 2. Yes, it's a bit pricier, but it's totally worth it for what you get. These Mic 3 is expected to officially launch in late July or August 2025, right in time for the holiday content season. Perfect timing or a perfect storm? Only time will tell how the public reacts once reviews roll in. But based on what we know now, DJI Mic 3 is going to be compact and simple. DJI Mic 2 is going to be flexible and professional. Choose wisely.